Hi, my name is AJ, and today I will be going over team handball. This team handball, you can play with any, well, they got a small ball that's used to it, but for beginners, you can probably use like a dodgeball. Today I will be demonstrating with a soccer ball. Dodgeball will probably be better. With team handball, it's like basketball, soccer, and baseball combined. Some of the basics with team handball is dribbling. You're allowed to dribble just like a basketball, but to start off dribbling, you must take 3 steps. After the 3rd step, you got options. You can dribble again, pass to a teammate. With the ball, you only have 5 seconds to have the ball. After that, you must get the ball. The next thing is the goal area. Use the 3-point line as the goal area. As an offensive player, you can't enter the goal area, only like if you're attempting a jump shot. For a jump shot, there's 3 different shots, or 2 different shots, and 1 on the sideline too. For the jump shot, you want to take a 3-step approach. 1, 2, 3, but you got to make sure your 3rd jump is behind the line, and when you throw, you can land in, but you must make a quick exit, unless there'll be a penalty on your team. The next shot is the penalty throw. On a penalty throw, if your dominant hand right, you'll have your right foot back and your right arm back. Your left hand must stay stationed at all times, and on this shot, you actually can go in the lane and get rid of the ball. That's on the penalty shot. The penalty shot occurs like you get a hard foul or somebody playing unsportsmanlike conduct. The next thing is the sideline throwing, basically if the ball go out of bounds. Same thing with the penalty throw. You want to have a station foot in the corner, and you want to throw into the team. Team handball consists of 6 players at a time on the court. 5 players running, and 1 player is the goalie. And that's team handball.